Hi everyone, I am Arnivas here. Let's go to today's section. Today we are going to see about an most important unit on discrete mathematics. In this chapter today discuss about logical equivalence. Definition for logical equivalence. Any two compound statements A and B are said to be a logically equivalent or simply equivalent if the columns corresponding to A and B, if the truth table have identically truth values. The logical equivalence of the statement A and B is called denoted by A logically equivalent B or A simply equivalent B. Exercise 12.2 15th sum, very important 5 mark questions. P conditional negation Q or R logically equivalent negation P or negation Q or R. Left hand side equal to right hand side. First of all, left hand side PQR, three statements. PQR, three statements. Conditions for three statements PQR: true, 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 false, 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 true, true, false, false, true, true, false, false. Rth term: true, false, true, false, true, false, true, false. These conditions to be applied for three statements PQR. First of all, true. First four entries true. Next four entries false. This is the pth term. Qth term: first two entries true, next two entries false, next two true, next two false. This is a qth term. Rth term: alternative: true, false, true, false, true, false, true, false. This is conditions for the PQR, three statements. Now negation P. What is the negation of P? Conditions for negation P: true, false, false, true. Okay. Q. This is the Q. Negations of Q: true, false, true, false, false, true, false, true, true, false, true, false, false, true, false, true. This is the negation of Q. Okay. Next, negation of Q or R. Next one, negation Q or Q. Negation Q or Q. This is the conditions for R. What is the conditions for R? False, 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 otherwise true. False, false. This term false, false, false. Okay. False, 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 otherwise true. True, 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 true. Okay. Next conditions: P conditional of negation Q or R. P conditionals. P conditional of negation Q or R. Conditions for conditional: true, true, false, false, true. Otherwise, second term is answer. True, true, false, false, true. Okay. Next one, true, 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 false, true, false, 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 true, false, true, false, true. Okay. True, true, false, false, true, true, false, false, true. Otherwise, second term is answer. Second term means negation of Q or R. Negation of Q or R. Second term is true. Second term is true. Second term is true. This is for the tabulation 1. Equation number 1. LHS is over. Next RHS. Next right hand side, negation P, negation Q, and then R. Three statement of P, Q, R. First 4 entries true, true, true. Next 4 entries false, 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 false. Qth terms true, true, false, false, true, true, false, false. Next one rth true, false, true, false, true, false, true, false. Okay. Next negation of P. True, false, true, false, true, false, true, false, false, true, false, true, false, true, false, true. Next negation of Q. True, false, true, false, false, true, false, true, true, false, true, false, false, true, true, false, true. Okay. Next negation of Q, R, R. What is the conditions for the negation of Q, R, R? R are conditions. False, false, false. Otherwise on the true. Okay. False, false, false. Negation Q. False, false. False, false, false. Next one. False, false, false. Next one. Otherwise on the true. True, 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 true. Okay. Next final step, negation P, R, negation of Q and R, this one. Okay. Same symbols, R symbols, false, 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 otherwise true. Okay. Then false, 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 otherwise true. True, 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 true. This is the equation number 2. From equation 1, true, false, true, 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 true. Equation number 2, true, false, true, 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 true. From 1 equivalent to 2. LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved.